Hey again. One other thing that I had mentioned to you before, and I'll go over it here, is some little one or two note runs that you can do between your G chord, C chord, and F chord. I'll get my mug out of the way so you can see what this fretting hand is doing. So, G chord, ring finger, 3rd fret on the 6th string, middle finger, 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then pinky finger, 3rd fret, 1st string. So you'll notice that what you really want to pay attention to here is your 2 fingers, your ring finger, middle finger, that are fretting these bass notes. So the G, the C, and the F, these 2 are holding the same shape. This is 1 fret higher than this one. So G, C, you're just moving these guys over. F, you move them over again. So what this allows you to do is not complicated, but as you're doing your chord changes, what I did was I did a little run on the bass from this G here. Remember, this is an E string, so when you fret this here, this is F, F sharp, and now G. So this G, you're going to hit this, and then the next string, the 5th string, you're going to hit open, and then fret it on the 2nd fret, and then on the 3rd. So it's going. So when you get to this, when you reach the top of this, your finger's already here for the bass note in the C chord. Middle finger goes to 4th string, 2nd fret. You can do the same in reverse. Right to your G chord. If you want to go from C to F, again, these 2 are just going to move over to make the F chord. We're going to go F down to C. To G. That's it. We'll check that out again next week.